The Ariete main battle tank is a second-generation armored vehicle with technical and operational characteristics of firepower, mobility, protection, and fightability, matching the most up-to-date military requirements of the Italian Army and other Western armies. The Ariete MBT has a chassis with a power pack at the rear, the driver's station on the front right side, and a power-operated three-man turret. The main armament is a 120mm smooth-bore gun capable of defeating similar hostile tanks by firing anti-tank ammunition of high explosive and kinetic energy type. The independently stabilized line of sight and line of fire are aimed at the target by an electro-hydraulic servo system which gives excellent firing performance on the move. Search, detection, and identification of the target are carried out by the commander, independent of the turret movements, by using a daylight panoramic stabilized sight unit. IR night vision is stabilized while second-generation IR channel is available on demand. The target acquisition, together with the angular sighting and range finding, are made through a stabilized sight unit operated by the gunner. This unit, fitted with an IR vision device, is associated to a laser range finder. Second-generation thermal channel is available on demand. The secondary armament consists of a 7.62 coaxial machine gun, and another roof-mounted weapon is used for close anti-aircraft and ground defense. Two lateral smoke grenade launchers are installed on each turret side. The high mobility of the Ariete main battle tank is ensured by the features of the power pack, suspension and tracks that are such as to provide high speed and acceleration, high cross-country capability, good maneuverability, and the possibility of using all fuels of standard use with military vehicles, while with special air filters enable operations in sandy, dusty, and NBC environments. The most up-to-date protection techniques have been adopted in the development of the tank in order to ensure the maximum degree of ballistic protection. The tank is able to withstand both kinetic and chemical energy projectiles fired at medium range and the effects of explosions inside the tank. The power pack consists of a Fiat V12 engine and a ZF automatic transmission. The Fiat engine is 12-cylinder, diesel, water-cooled, supercharged, aftercooler type. The cylinders have a 90-degree V arrangement. The working cycle is 4-stroke direct injection. The engine supercharger is obtained through 2 turbochargers, one for each bank, arranged at the rear of the engine. The inlet air of each turbocharger is cooled by an air-water heat exchanger. The automatic hydrodynamic transmission is ZF type, bolted directly to the engine, with 4 forward speeds and 2 reverse, 3 turning radii and pivot. Forward and reverse speeds are selected through a power-operated shift control with emergency mechanical shifting. The service braking, both in normal and emergency modes, is hydraulically operated. The suspension system consists of 7 dual road wheels with torsion bars and 4 track support return rollers on each side. The adjustable idler is at the front, and 3 front road wheels and 2 rear ones are fitted with hydraulic shock absorbers. The drive sprocket is at the rear. Each suspension arm is fitted with hydraulic bumpers to limit excessive road wheel travel and to center guiding teeth. The fire extinguishing system is automatic with the possibility of manual actuation. The MBC system has been designed for operating either under normal or forced air ventilation through a cyclone filter or projected condition with composite filters. The driver's station is located at the front right side of the hull and includes a seat with a hydraulic lifting system to drive the tank both with the driver's hatch open and closed. Unit episcopes for driving with the closed hatch are available. The central one of these is replaceable by an image intensification periscope for night driving. Steering is controlled by a cloche. The main armament consists of a 120mm smoothbore tank gun able to fire hypervelocity, high-piercing ammunition, and chemical energy multi-role ammunition. The 120mm gun is realized with an auto-fratage chromium-coated smoothbore cannon, 44 calibers long, firing all the available NATO ammunition rounds of this caliber with the maximum allowed performance. Recoil system, recoil buffer, and counter recoil recuperator is of coaxial type. The breech block is of the vertical sliding wedge type with automatic breech mechanism. The gun barrel has an automatic bore evacuator system and is fitted with a thermal sleeve. The target search and fire control system is featured in such a manner as to permit battlefield day and night surveillance with the tank in motion or while stationary. Detection, identification, and tracking, angular and in range, of stationary or moving targets, day and night, while one's own tank is in motion or stationary. Automatic computation of kinematic lead angles and ballistic corrections, according to the selected ammunition, and automatic introduction in the fire control system. Correct laying of the main gun with the tank stationary or in motion, following the commands from the observation and sighting periscopes. The Ariete MBT is already in service with the Italian Army. The advanced protection, mobility, and firepower characteristics, aside from the latest production processes and technologies, have provoked great interest by other armies for this innovative and versatile product.